In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem that your animated text on the Instagram story is not working. I'm gonna walk you through how to solve this for both iOS and Android. First, you wanna go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and uninstall it. I'm not going to, as this is purely an informative video, but you will uninstall it. By doing so, none of your data on Instagram will be lost. Then you will search for Super VPN and install it. This will allow us to connect to different countries where the animation text is available. Once it's installed, open the VPN app and connect to another country's server. Now you will want to go back to the App Store and install Instagram again. This way, when you will try to do the animated text again, it will work. Hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate it if you liked it, and I will see you next time.